Hi everyone, I'm Brandon.
I'm Jamilla, and we are about 1 month away from traveling the entire world for 1 year. During the next year, we're going to be living out of our suitcase, and we're going to have to pack for different seasons, which makes this a huge challenge for sure.
We really don't know what we're doing just yet, since this is the first time we're going to be traveling for this long, but hopefully by the end of the video, we'll give you guys some good packing tips.
And we went with the Away luggage suitcases. They are super high quality, and we also have a lifetime warranty. So if they ever get damaged, we can always get them replaced. And we're gonna start with me packing. So shoo, you need to get out of the way. And we're gonna show what I have to pack. Okay, so I have the medium size Away suitcase, and that means I have to check this in. We're getting rid of all of our stuff, so we're not gonna have any storage whatsoever. So this was kind of my way to feel more comfortable with getting rid of all of our stuff and just having more clothes. Okay, so this is the 2 compartments of the Away suitcase. And on this side, we have this mesh zipper thing that keeps everything in place. I tried to keep everything super neutral, and I can wear through multiple seasons. And in this top row, we have all of my tops. So I have 6 short sleeve tops. I have a lot of basic tops like this. This one's from Express. And then on this side, I have 3 blouses. This one, for example, is so versatile. Can be like a swim cover-up as well as just a regular top. I also love to fold by rolling so I can see every single thing that's in my suitcase. And on this side I have 4 workout tops. 3 of them are tank tops, and then 1 for the winter time, which is a long sleeve. And then I have 2 long sleeve t-shirts. And then on the second row here, I have all of my bottom pants. So I'm only bringing 1 blue jean, and then I have 4 trousers, which is kind of a lot, but I love a nice pair of trousers. You can dress them up or down, and they're so lightweight. Here's just one example of these like linen brown pants. And I just love that you can wear them for winter and summer. And then here I have 4 shorts. On this last row, I have 1 pair of leggings, and I'm going to be wearing another pair while I'm at the airport. And I'm also bringing 5 dresses, and the rest here are just pajamas, and I'm bringing 4 pairs of pajamas. That's it for this side. And then this side, we have the compression side. Away makes them so you can buckle it in here and then really tighten it so that it compresses down. Open it up, and I have a bunch of random stuff on this side. I do have 2 jackets. I also have just a random white cardigan that matches every single thing I'm bringing. This one I'm going to be wearing to the airport. I also have 1 towel that me and Brandon will share. Then down here we have the toiletry bag. I love this bag because it has different compartments, and you can also hang it, which is awesome. So we're gonna be filling this up and dividing all of our toiletries. Now on this side, I have 3 bags. So I have 1 crossbody bag, which I'll just be using day to day. And then I have 2 tote bags, which I think is super helpful to bring while traveling. You can bring them grocery shopping as well as to the beach or just everyday use. And then I'm bringing 1 baseball cap. I had bought a bunch of these canvas bags from Amazon, and I'm repurposing them for travel because it's just perfect to organize your stuff. So in this bag, I have all of my bathing suits. I have 4 bikinis that I'm bringing, and my absolute favorite pair I just purchased from a store called Maji. And it's so cool because it's like a multi-purpose top. So you can wear it like this in the front, and then you can flip it to be a bandeau instead. And then if you turn it inside out, it becomes a different print. And then in this bag, I have 14 pairs of underwear. I have 3 bras as well as 6 pairs of socks. And then in here, I have all of my shoes. So to the airport, I'm going to be wearing just these basic white Superga sneakers. Also bringing 1 more pair of sneakers, so just these platform black Vans. And then for sandals, I'm bringing 2 pairs of sandals. This is a questionable pair of shoes that I'm bringing, but I really wanted to bring something that I can use when I'm dressing up, and it is a pair of BP kitten heels. So they're still pretty comfortable. Okay, and then last thing I'm bringing for shoes is this pair of water shoes. I am also bringing both Brandon and I's snorkel gear.
So I have the bigger carry-on suitcase from Away Travel. I do not have to check mine in, which is nice. So when you go over here to the netting area, I have all of my clothes. So I'm bringing 1 pair of jeans, 1 pair of pants from Lululemon, 2 sweats from Uniqlo, 2 t-shirts from Uniqlo, 2 pairs of shorts that are active wear and can be used for swim trunks as well, another pair of shorts. On this side, I have 2 tank tops, 2 more athletic shirts, 3 button-down shirts, and 3 polo shirts. In this compartment here is where I'm putting all of my underwear and all of my socks. I'm bringing 15 pairs of each. And just like Jamilla's, these have straps to compress it down to save space. Then on this side is where I have my bulkier items. I have 1 hoodie here. I have another sweatshirt here, pretty much the same color, and then another sweatshirt that I'll be bringing as well. And just these 3 items alone, you were able to see it took up pretty much half the space over here. Also in this compartment, I'm bringing a Nike hat, 1 pair of Under Armour sneakers. This is the only other pair of shoes I'm gonna be bringing, besides the white pair of shoes that I'm gonna wear to the airport. 1 pair of flip-flops, and then my water shoes underneath. And as Jamilla said, thankfully she's packing all of our toiletries and all of the other stuff that can fit into her bag, so I don't have to pack that in here. Not as exciting as Jamilla's, but this is everything that I'm taking. So we're packing all of our clothes in a suitcase, but all of our electronics will be put into these backpacks.
We bought these from Amazon, and we're not going to show you every single thing we're going to pack in here, but we did want to show you how cool this backpack is, because it has a lot of cool features. Okay, so the main reason why we got this backpack is for safety precautions. We don't want to get pickpocketed, so we have this TSA approved lock here. So the backpack opens up from the back side, and you can actually open it all the way so it can lay flat. And there's so many compartments in here. So there's a section for your laptop, your iPad, even your glasses, which is awesome. There's also this little compartment for portable battery, and it actually plugs into here. So you can freely charge your phone while this is in your backpack. And there's like a little port on this side, which the charger can come out of. And just on this back side, I also wanted to show that there's this little strap so you can place it on top of your suitcase. And there's also a little pocket here for something random if you want to hide it. And then for my water bottle, there's a little pocket right here. And you can actually fit a water bottle in here. It fits nice and snug in there, or you can also put just like an umbrella in here. So yeah, that's this backpack. Alrighty guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We really hope that we gave some helpful tips.
We'll be sure to keep you guys updated in case we change anything that we're packing.
Bye!